Hey everyone! Quick hands-on take on the Urlife T16 electric bike with the 1000 motor. I've been testing it around town for a bit, and here's the honest breakdown. First impressions, it feels solid. The frame is chunky and you can tell it's built for power rather than being ultra-light. The 1000 watt motor definitely delivers. Acceleration is punchy, especially from a stop, and it handles hills without struggling. Battery life is decent, but not mind-blowing. Expect a moderate range depending on how hard you ride it. If you're constantly using full throttle, you'll drain it faster than you'd like. Ride comfort is okay. The suspension does its job on rough roads, but it's not premium level smooth. Braking is reliable, and the display is simple but functional. So, is it worth your money? If you want raw power and a budget-friendly electric ride, yes. But if you're after refinement and long-range efficiency, you might want to look elsewhere.